Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook or make spam with oyster sauce. Okay, so this is very simple, and then you can use also any kind of luncheon meat, the cheapest one if you want. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then the spam. This is the spam that I use, the light one, and then garlic, tomatoes, onions, and spring onion. We can fry the spam, okay? So, bisahon na to ang spam una, ha? Okay. So, we don't need to cook very well. Okay. Add saute the garlic. Onions. And the spring onions. Okay. Guys, look at that one. Okay, we're gonna add just little. Guys, the oyster sauce. For maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes so that the oyster sauce will absorb into the, and then they'll be right back. Oh, okay, guys, look at that one, guys. It's super yummy na, guys. Okay, guys. So our spam with oyster sauce. We're gonna garnish with onions, okay? So I'm gonna off the heat and then I'm going to taste, guys. Okay. This one. It's yummy. It's not salty. That's good, guys. Our spam with oyster sauce is very yummy. Okay guys, that's a very simple dish, but it's delicious, okay? Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye.